Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Amazon account balance. Your Amazon account balance is essentially a digital credit that you can apply towards eligible purchases on the platform. This balance can accumulate from various sources, such as redeemed gift cards, refunds from returned items, or even promotional credits. It's a convenient way to manage your spending, and checking your current balance is straightforward through the Amazon website or mobile application. Let's dive into how you can put this balance to good use. When you're ready to make a purchase, simply add your desired items to your cart and proceed to the checkout page. Amazon is designed to make using your balance seamless. On the payment selection screen, your available account balance will be prominently displayed as a payment method. You'll have the option to apply the entire balance to your order, or if you prefer, you can choose to use only a specific portion, covering part of your total. It's very flexible. While your Amazon account balance is incredibly versatile, there are a few limitations to keep in mind. For instance, it typically cannot be used for purchases from certain third-party sellers who process payments outside of Amazon's system. Also, your balance is generally non-transferable, meaning you can't send it to another Amazon account. Furthermore, some specific digital content, like certain app purchases or recurring subscriptions, might not be eligible for payment using your balance. Always check the product details. Effectively managing your Amazon account balance ensures you get the most out of it. Make it a habit to regularly check your balance, which helps you keep track of your spending and any new credits you receive. If you have multiple Amazon gift cards, you can easily combine them into your account to increase your overall available balance. Should you ever notice any discrepancies or have questions about your balance, Amazon's customer service team is readily available to assist you. They can help resolve any issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.